All right, we're back, baby, and today is going to be a very, very, very special day. Not only very special, but also very fun. Darla's hood was dropped off for paint around Wednesday-ish, earlier this week, and we just got pictures that it is almost done. And yes, he did have to respray it. There was a little fisheye in it, but it's almost done, and I already know what it looks like, but I'm not going to show you guys yet, but there is a slight chance, just a very, very, very slight chance, that this hood will be back on Darla today. Now, with that being said, drop up on a like on today's video. Comment down below what you think Darla's going to look like, whether it's good or bad. Now, let's get into today's video. Today's going to be an exciting day, but today's also going to be a very depressing day financially. We got to go car shopping. The reason why we got to go car shopping is, clearly, you guys, this is not George, and this is not George 2.0. We did not take the paint off, and in fact, George was green before, he was not red. This is Dylan's Ranger, and unfortunately, George broke down on us. He snapped his tire rods in the front, and now the tires are kind of facing each other. That doesn't mean we can't finish them off, and we will be finishing them off. Again, comment down below what you guys think, how we should finish them off. I have an idea in my head, I'm not going to say it, but it's going to be amazing. Now, as much as I would love to get another car, unfortunately, we do need to have a truck on the channel just because of the fact that the weather here is not promising. And whenever it gets cold, there isn't much we can do with Darla, but there are some more things we can do to the truck that we can actually do things that we can go out and do, play around with. So I feel like a truck is just kind of, it's a necessity, whether you're in Ohio, for YouTube, for anything. It's just as a necessity that we're going to have to get. So we got a couple trucks picked out, nothing too crazy, nothing too special, but those are down the road, and we actually have an appointment to go test drive them at noon, and it is 11:54. So like always, we're going to be late, but we're not going to be too late, just luckily it's right down the road, so let's go see them. So first truck on the board, we do have an F-150 from 2013, bringing it back the old days. I remember, if you guys don't remember that I have said this before, 13 and 14, they are the best vehicles ever made. All 13 and 14 vehicles are the best vehicles to ever made. But it is an XLT, so it is base model. But did you guys know back in the day it used to mean extra luxurious truck? Dylan, you told me that. I'm just going to go with it and say that's facts. But it's a base model now, and it's been quickly replaced by all these Lariat platinum packages that you can get. But there ain't no model quite like a base model, and especially with a base model with aftermarket lighting. Every other pre-owned truck or pre-owned vehicle, there is definitely blemishes. It looks kind of like a failed repo attempt right here. It looks like it was hit by a forklift. Then right here, we got some kind of really bad rust spots that are kind of cracking through, and I don't really know. I'm gonna try to, whenever I get back, I'm gonna make them off, because I think right now it is kind of priced a little bit high, so I'm gonna try to lower it down a little bit. It does have 170,000 miles on it, guys. So definitely, for 14 grand, I don't think it's worth all that. So definitely gonna try to lower them down. But it is a very nice truck, and if you guys do not see what the color is, it is a sterling gray metallic, which is the same color as Darla. How sweet would it be if we got this all blacked out, all the chrome pieces all blacked out, and blue, and had matching with Darla? That would be sweet. Now, the chance of that happening are very, very, very small, because that takes a lot of money. And remember, we're using this as a daily. It doesn't need to be anything special, but it could happen. We might get it to match with Darla, which would be very cool. But let's finish our test drive, and let's go check out the other trucks. And when you guys are test driving a vehicle, make sure you guys always check to see if the four-wheel drive low and four-wheel drive high works. Fortunately enough, it does work. This truck is checking out to be really, really, really nice. At first, the four-wheel drive high was not working, and it was staring me a little bit, and it actually wasn't even staring me. It was just like a big bummer, because like, obviously, if it's not going to work in four-wheel drive high, I would not be buying it. But as of right now, guys, it's definitely weird driving a truck. It's definitely weird driving a truck other than my Ranger, because my Ranger is not top heavy at all. So like, you're kind of just like swaying, swaying like side to side, and it's just kind of scary. But like, guys, I really do like this truck. I really do like it. But remember, I can't settle down yet, because we got a couple of the trucks that we definitely need to go look at first. Overall drivability of this truck is absolutely top notch, and I do see myself driving this every day, and I do really like this truck. But we're gonna keep our eyes open, look for something else, and we guys just look at that. C706 looking menacing. All right, guys, unfortunately, we did not end up getting the truck, but unfortunately, we made an offer. And unfortunately, they declined it. You know, I've noticed that I use unfortunately. I've used that word so many times. But you know what? I love it. I'm just going to keep using it. But on that bombshell, guys, we do have one more truck looking at. We do have one more truck we're going to go look at next week. It is too far away. We cannot go end up getting enough time to go there before they even close. But it might be the same color as Darla. Now, I've said too much without saying enough at all. This is something that I didn't even think that we were going to be stepping into. Now, saying something but saying nothing at all, it is the same exact color as Darla. But it's just set up, a wee bit different, guys. Stay tuned. That's all I'm going to say. Stay tuned, guys, because we might be able to get it next week. Guys, all this car and truck shopping has just got me so hungry. So, welcome to the Golden Arches, baby. They should put me in the NBA. I've been telling people for years I need to play for the Cavaliers or whatever team. I don't even know sports guys, but I should be in the NBA, all right? But anyways, now that we have the hood completely taken off Darla and she's gone, and hopefully we should be able to get her back still today. Now we're keeping our hope today. But on that bombshell, now we have a whole bunch of time that we can completely fix our wiring mess all over here. As you can see, there's wires just thrown down here. But we got some conduit over there that we're going to be putting on, and we're going to cut all these zip ties up, take all these zip ties out, and then kind of have like a nice fresh black line going all the way across, which should clean up that side a lot. This side I don't really have to worry about because there is nothing there. So, step one, we're going to cut all these zip ties out, and we're just going to clean this up a little bit while waiting for the hood, because man, whenever we get this hood on, we have to have the top looking fresh, but we have to have the inside looking even more fresh at the same time, guys. Come on. You guys know how it is already. So we do have this line put in, and it looks so much better now that we don't have the black and blue and red wires going all over the place. It looks so much cleaner on this side, and it kind of matches all the black theme going on this side. I am thinking about getting these covers painted though, so if you guys think I should get them painted, let me know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if we should paint them, because I'm thinking of all like a gloss black with like a blue splatter all over them just to match the calipers and everything. So, but on that bombshell, guys, it is time that we go pick up our brand new painted. It is finally painted. We just got the message it is done. We're gonna go pick up our 4-inch cowl for Darla. Oh my gosh, guys, she sounds so good. I've missed this car so much. So freaking much, guys. It's been like almost not really that long. It hasn't even been a couple days since I've driven the car. I've driven it last weekend. Actually, no, it has been 2 weeks because I didn't drive it with the hood not painted. So I have the hood of this car in a little bit, and I've not driven it in a little bit, and I'm so excited that we get to drive it finally again. So next time you guys see this car, and we'll have our 4-inch cowl hood. So let's get to the shop and let's get this baby put on. Guys, we have officially done it. We got our cowl hood. Somehow I'm still mind blown on how we got the cowl hood. But just look at how good it looks, guys. Oh my god. I wish I was for you to see it in person. It does not do justice on camera. The camera does not do it justice, guys. I promise you guys that. Look how big it is! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Guys, this is insane. I've never driven anything with a cowl hood. I've never driven anything on the cowl. I've moved Dylan's truck maybe 10 feet that had a cowl hood, but I've never driven anything so far with a cowl hood. And just look at how big it sits. Oh my gosh, guys. And I cannot thank Countryside Auto. I cannot thank the homies out of Countryside Auto enough. They hooked us up so well. Look at how well it matches, guys. They did an amazing job. They did an amazing job with keeping the metallic flowing. That was the big picture, and that's what I was worried about with these metallic colors. With these metallic colors, sorry guys. Apparently, I learned that I have a speech impediment, and I don't even know how to take that, because I've been told by a couple people that I have a speech impediment, and now it is now bringing to my attention that I actually do have that speech impediment, and I'm starting to notice it, and I'm trying to fix it, but it ain't happening. Enough with my issues, guys. Look, it just looks so much better than the stock hood. And of course, like guys, with the stock hood, it does have its perks because it does look like a street car, and that's one of my biggest fear was with this 4-inch cowl hood was I still want that street car look. Guys, this is it's incredible. It is incredible at how good this looks compared to a stock hood. Yes, I do love my stock hood, and yes, I always said that there's a chance that I might never go for a 4-inch cowl hood over the stock hood because of that street car feel. But oh my gosh, have I ever been wrong? Cannot get over how good this looks, guys. Like the color, the paint, the car, the hood. If I haven't said this before, which I know I have many times, the S197 platform is the best Mustang platform to ever exist. From 10, take that back, 11 through 14, specifically 13 to 14, are the best Mustangs to be ever made across the board. 10 out of 10 across the board. You can't take it back. I said what I said. At me, hate me. You guys know it's the truth. It has been such a blessed day, guys, and I cannot believe today went this well. Like, I'm so thankful for everything. I'm thankful for all of you guys. We are almost to 600 subscribers. I hope you guys know that. And I am just so blessed. Like, I'm so grateful for all of this. And I don't know, guys. We're not giving up. I can tell you guys that now. We are not going to give up. My speech impediment, guys. My speech impediment is coming back to me. It's attacking me. So, but we are not going to give up. We are chasing these Ohio views on views, and I wish you guys could see the sunlight beaming down on this color. It just looks so good. And like I said before, guys, this camera does not do the color justice. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one just as much as I enjoyed making it. And get ready, because we have a ton more things coming for this cowl hood. A ton more things coming for this weekend. A ton more things coming for next week and next weekend. So stay tuned, guys, and remember, don't hold back. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you.